As many of you know, I owned restaurants, the Farm of Beverly Hills, for over 20 years. So I've had just about every burger you can imagine, kind of just about every way you can think of. And all the rage right now are the meatless burgers, so I thought I'd cook a few up, put it against my favorite, which is the beef burger, and see how they match up. And I put them all together. I cooked them at the same temperature, in the same cast iron skillet. There's only salt and pepper on these. I thought I'd be a purist. And Dijon mustard, because that's how I like to eat my burgers. This one is the Beyond Burger. It's very popular. This is the Impossible Burger, and that's the 100% beef. It's grass-fed Angus. $85.15 on the mix, if anybody's curious. Here we go. Cooked all the way through, because my understanding is on the meat substitutes, you need to cook them all the way through or the texture is not going to be good. So this is the Beyond Burger. Okay. I'll tell you about it in the end. This is the Impossible. See, cooked all the way through again. I think there's going to be a little less cook on the beef because that's kind of how they go. Okay. Here we go. Although maybe, yep, a little less cook. I actually like mine a little less well done even so, but that's close to a medium and it'll be good enough for now. Well, of the two meatless, I much prefer the Impossible Burger. It's got a crust on it, it cooked up really well and evenly. I like the texture better, and I like the flavor profile on it better. So my favorite is the 100% beef. My name is Berger after all. I just like a beef burger.